Well, Sean, here's your 331 small block Ford. Your description is a combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it, custom grown hydraulic roller. We've got your manifold you supplied, oil pan, stuff on there. We've got your front end on it. Corner, make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 4,100, 354 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 412, peak horsepower 488. We rated it at 500, so it's really pretty good with the front end on it, being 331, so it runs pretty good. We'll show you a couple things here. Basically, when you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It will have some stuff on it. I highly recommend reading it. Pull the pipes back now, make sure it's good and clean for you. Have a great day.